Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. And now simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here, we've been transferred to the list of all previously visited websites. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browser history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, so I will mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time. So now let's tap on Clear Data. And here we've got the history, we just got back to it, and as you can see it is empty, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.